Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana hasn't really moved much since yesterday. Let me take you through the scenarios that are, let's say, the probable pathways that I see. These pathways or roadmaps, they allow us to add support levels, resistance levels to charts. And from an Elliott wave point of view, we can identify key pivots that will allow us where a chart will morph from one scenario into the other one. Okay, so we have this upper support area, which is defined between $162.70 and $178.41. We're still holding above that one. This is generally the support area for a fourth wave. So at the moment, the thesis is a fourth wave. This is the larger fourth wave correction that started around the 22nd of November. This fourth wave might indeed have bottomed already on the 20th of December. We were watching for a potential upside breakout. We had a signal level that was crossed, price rallied, but only in 3 waves. But we expected that kind of. So we expected it to be an A wave, right? And A waves can be 3-wave movements or 5-wave movements. So the market then dipped into the in the B wave, okay? And this B wave is already very deep, but it's not too deep to be valid. Important is that we're holding above the invalidation point at $175.30 to keep this scenario alive. Any break below this level will mean that we're likely still in the fourth wave as per the white scenario. In this case, then the support area will likely be tested again, or let's say the lower support level will be tested around $163. This is an important level because it's the 61.8 retracement of the rally of the third wave to the upside, yeah. And this third wave is used to define these Fibonacci support zones, and a fourth wave should not break below the 61.8 retracement, so should not break below $163. Well, if it does, again, that's one of those pivots I mentioned. Any break below would likely shift the focus to the lower support area, which I've now added to the smaller time frame chart. It was only visible before on our larger time frame. But it's defined between $133.40 and $154.48. So this support area is relevant. This would be for an alternative scenario, though. You know, we could then call it a wave 2 potentially. But really, I don't have any clear bullish scenario left below $133. Well, there is stuff we can do, but you know, it's about let's see if the market can find support at one of these areas. Please note that here in this local structure, let me zoom in. There are 2 pathways, obviously, as I said, the white count or the yellow count. And in the very short term, really on the micro level, what we can say is that possibly the decline might just need one more low to complete. I'm tracking that as an ABC structure to the upside for good reason, because the bigger picture sees this entire move up as a diagonal pattern. Now, I'm not going to talk about the daily chart today. We've done that really frequently in recent days and weeks. But yeah, the idea is, look, we've got a possible A wave up, we've got a B wave down, and the B wave is an ABC structure itself. And then really diving into the micro, I mean, it's possible it's a small 1, 2, 3. Maybe this is a fourth wave triangle with one more low to come, but that needs to be the last low. This like life or death for the yellow scenario, right? The next low must be the last one. I mean, if not, it's not super bearish, but it just means the yellow count will likely be invalidated, and then the white count will take the lead. And this takes us to the white count because we have a resistance area, and this one could easily be tested. For example, in the white count, if we see a move up, I think it's more likely the white count. Ironically, it might appear more bullish, but actually one more low more directly could just end this decline and we go up higher. Whereas if we see a larger bounce, it might reset some indicators and could lead to an even larger sell-off afterwards. Yeah. So white count, yes, one more low, but like on a larger scale. Whereas the yellow count also allows for one more low, but just more directly, and it gives the chance to complete this correction more directly. So yeah, that's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, Make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.